folks, I'm back for another video, and this one is about my trike again, my new trike. Let me show you what's going on here. All right, so I did put some more parts on here. I didn't like the way or how close the luggage rack was to my back. It made it hard to get on the bike. So I bought another piece that extends out further. I don't know if you can see it up underneath there. But anyhow, it bolts into the bottom side of this. This did not come with this, but it slides on and locks into place. So I had to take that off, bolt that new rack to this piece here, and then put this back on. But and then I put a reverse camera on here, backup camera. Hopefully that is going to help me backing into my trailer. I'll probably put a camera right about here. It'll be for also rear view mirror, but I'll put a camera there so that way when I'm backing up I can back into the right spot. What I mean by that, let me show you. Okay, so this, I had to modify this. Still not quite done with it. But this is what my trailer tire, the trike tire, the back tire is going to go into and lock into in the trailer. It'll be temporarily bolted in, so it'll only be in there when the bike is in there. Once the bike comes out, I'll take 4 bolts out, and I'll have a slick floor again. But I had to, this piece here was bent down further like this and on like this. It wasn't wide enough for the new trike. So I had to widen it up, cut the center, put some pieces in. It's not done yet. It looks kind of crappy welds, I know. But had to do that. And then the same way with these were like that. And so I had to straighten them out with heat and then weld this thing across here. And so when the tire hits that, it knocks that down, and then once it gets past that, it drops back down like this, and it holds it in place. But anyhow, I had put some anti-skid tape on my floor in my trailer, and that's just not working. This has nothing to do with that, but let me show you what I had to do. So this is what I had to do. Let's throw some light on the subject. I had to make one of these. Had to make, well, 2 of them so far. I'm going to make a 3rd one probably. Maybe even a 4th one. But anyhow, these will be screwed into the floor temporarily when I load it and unload it, especially for when I load it. And that way it has like cleats on it so the tires can grab on and pull me up the thing. The reason why I'm having to make this is because I did that there, and what I'm having a problem with is they don't stay secure to the floor. As soon as at least the lower ones anyhow, they don't stay secure to the floor. They peel up as soon as my tires start spinning, and it just basically rips them off. So these will be put down when I'm loading it, and the one on the ramp on the very end will have to be removed to close the door. But these are just going to give me traction to go up the ramp. The back end of that bike is not very light. Matter of fact, this bike here, the new bike, is 500 pounds less than the old bike. The other one was 1,100. This one here's about 650, something like that, empty. So that's what I had to do there. Anyhow, that's what's been going on with me. This is December 31st, New Year's Eve, and hope everybody's doing well. And do me a favor and hit that like button. And we'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.